Do you want me to tell them what we did last New Year's Eve? Hindi. Last mo ito sa'yo. Nahiya siya. Jay, kinagat niya ako!
Kulit mo kasi batang sumaki!
Jay, favor sana ako.
Yeah.
Mag-apply ka namang katulong ko. Oh, I wish I could see your face right now.
Send down picture, gusto mo?
Sure. Nude photo, please.
Mark for Watson. Wait lang.
Oh?
Si El!
Grabe ka, no, Jay? I mean, alam ka namang gwapo ako, pero di mo...
Isipan mo.
ka. Mag-anak ba to ni Freya? Parang kandas niya ng mukha. Tigilan mo si Yuri. Sinasaktan mo lang siya. Wow, look who's talking. You'll regret being with Kiefer. Trust me.
What guy would be happy to hear that the girl he likes met up with her ex? Diba? Tell me guys, how would you feel? Felix?
I'll cry.